Hey, this is Tim. Today we're going to be doing a blower motor on a Doge Dart 76971 is part number. First thing you want to do is you got this little plate, this little plastic piece up underneath. It's got two little push ends. You want to take the little push ends out, just pull them out gently, and then you're going to pull this cover off right here. So we'll pop that off like that. Set it up there. Then we're going to pull these down real gently. Once you get it down, you're going to go right here, and you got a light. You got to unplug. Just kind of pushing the tab there. Unplug that. Pull that down on here. Get a little tab out. Hold on a second. Tab out, set that to the side. And you're gonna go up here. And this is your blower motor right up here. And you got three 5.5 bolts. And of course you unplug it right here. That is the blower motor resistor right there. You'll be unplugging. So this one right here, that's the blower motor. That one goes to the switch. So let's get the 5.5, take off them bolts. Okay, the way I did it, I went ahead and unplugged both of them to the resistor right here. You can even pull the resistor out if it's in your way. It's not that big a deal. And get you an extension with a 5.5. Alright, get you an extension. Get you a short extension like this with a 5.5. And go up here with it. And make sure you get the kind of let it hang there and go around and do all three of them like that. Not too bad. You got three of them up there, so just pretty much like that. Get your little extension, and then you got one up top there. Get all three of them out and pull it right off. Okay, after you get all the three bolts out of there, just pull it straight down, and it will have a little vent cover on it. On the back of it here, your new one is different, so you don't have to put that vent cover on it. It's just enclosed with a cover. See, this one's open, so they put a cover over it. Like that. But this one already has a cover for the plug and everything, so you don't have to reuse that. So just put your new one in. Like I said, part number's 4 seasons 76971. And let's put it back in. Okay, now comes always the fun part. Make sure you line up your get your line going that way, so you know it's going that way, so it's going in like that, so your cord can come down. And then you're gonna go up here, which is always fun, and push it in. Make sure you keep it lined up. And I'm gonna leave it right there for right now because it's hard to do with the camera. Give me just a second. Okay, make sure you start them all with your hand, and then just put them all in there. You're going to have to start them with your hand. It's a lot easier. It's really hard to get anything else up in here. So just start them with your hand, line up the holes, and once you get one or two, just tighten them up, and then you'll be able to get the other one. And then of course, put everything back together. Put your piece of trim right here, and your hook your light up, and your couple pieces of trim here, and let's see if it works. Alright. Fan works on all settings. Not too bad, it's just it's just cramped up under there, but hopefully this will help somebody out. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.